Okay, in the question, in the given figure, measurement angle AOD is equals to 130 degree. Find the measures of the other three angles. If you see the diagram that is given in the book, the diagram is based on intersecting lines. Okay, now find out AOD on these lines. AOD is this one, A, then O, and D. It means this is the first part or first angle that is given, 132. Then we have other three angles. This is number 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So what are the three angles? The other three angles are A, this is A, O, C, AOC, then COB, COB, then DOB or this is the third one. Now remember this, we need to prove with the help of statements and reason. And in the intersecting line, there are vertical angles. Every time this must be in your mind that the intersecting lines create vertical angles. So COB, this is CO and B, and AOD are the vertical angles, opposite angles. AOD, both are on the opposite sides, and they are equal. On the basis of this, the second line, we are writing but angle AOD is 132 because it is given in the statement. So we will write given. We will not write the full sentence given in the statement. We will write only given, and in front of these two angles, we will write vertical angle. And we will say this is 1 and this is 2. Now from 1 and 2, we come to know that if the vertical angles are equal, if this is AOD is 132, similarly, obviously COB will be 132. Now we are done with the two angles. What about the third one, AOC? AOC and COB, we have to relate AOC with COB. Both are on the straight line, and a straight line angle is equals to 180 degree. Remember this. We are done with the first one, that is AOD, and AOD were keeping it equal to COB. Now it is finished. Now we have to show the relationship, the third angle with the second one, AOC and COB, but the relationship is based upon on the straight line. That is why I am saying, and we are writing 180. The sum of COB and sum of an AOC angle AOC is equals to 180 degree. This is supplementary angle. So this is our third reason. Now place what you do, you need to find out the fourth angle or the third angle, this AOC. We will keep the value that is in the question 132 and then 180, and we will try to solve. As 132 is on the left side, then if we go on right side, it will be subtracted. 180 minus 132 is 48. Now we get a number that is 48. We get AOC. Now in this here, what is the vertical angle of AOC? Opposite angle. If you see in the diagram, AOC is the opposite angle is DOB. Go up and see AOC, AOC, and DOB. They are vertically opposite angles. So the statement is there, and we will say AOC is equals to 48 degree and DOB is equals to 48. In other words, one angle is 132. The other angle is, the vertical opposite angle is also 132. And for finding the third angle, what we do, we will subtract from 180, and after that we will get the answer. The number is 48, and we will put the same statement for the third and fourth angle, because we will see the vertical opposite angle. The main thing that we have to do in question number 1 is to find out the vertical opposite angles. Why vertical opposite angles? Because intersecting lines create vertical angles and vertical opposite angles help us to find out the uh, unknown angles at the same time easily. Okay, do you understand this? I hope. Now question number 2 is there. In question number 2, prove that the sum of the measures of 4 angles made by the intersection of 2 lines at a point is equals to 4 right angles. Now what is given? If like when we see the first time what we do, we will see, okay, sum of measures of 4 angles, fine, is there, intersection of 2 lines, fine, at a point. But what about right angles? How to find out right angles? Because right angles, uh, intersecting lines are producing right angles. Why they are saying right angles? Because there is no number is shown given to us, no number is shown to us. Like before in question number, if you see in question number 1, there is 132 as a number, but in this statement there is no number. So because of this, we know that right angle is always equal to 90-degree angle. So I am just telling you, keep this statement in your mind, and on the basis of this, we will say the 2 lines given is, we will generate given statement, 2 lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. Now what we have to find? We have to find sum of measures of 4 angle is equals to, sum of 4 measures of 2 angles is equals to 90-degree or right angle, like this, is equals to 4 right angles. Now 4 right angles mean 90 multiplied by 4, that is 360. And now we are going to prove with statement and reason. And then we are using, here we are using 360, half of 360 is 180. Here we are using, we will not use vertical angles. We will follow for the supplementary angles. We will go 90 plus 90 is 180. Straight line angles like DOB plus BOC is equals to 180-degree. The supplementary angle. Similarly, COA and AOD is equals to 180-degree. It is a supplementary angle. And by adding 1 and 2, then we get 180 plus 180 is 360, or 4 multiplied by 90 is 360. We can do easily. If the statement is given to us, we can multiply 90 by 4 and get the answer 360. But here we are using theorems and the statement is given. So we need to follow the parts of the theorem. Number 1 is given, then to prove, number 3 diagram, number 4 proof with statement and reason. So you must understand that what are the components, what are the parts, what are the elements of a theorem. We are applying these elements, components, parts in the statement, on the statement, different statement. We are applying, we are generating our reasons, we are generating the statements, generating statement from the question statement. So this is very important. Okay, it is not difficult, it is not very difficult. If you memorize it, or if you keep these points, the basic point, you will understand each and everything. But what you have to understand, you have to see the statement, whatever the statement is given to you, read the statement one time. If you are not understanding, read it again, second time, third time, and comprehend the statement. Comprehend means you understand the statement after like reading once, twice, thrice. Fine. Then come to question number 3. If 2 straight lines AB and CD, I will not give you difficult question in the exam, but easy question with basic reasons must be in your mind. If 2 straight lines AB and CD intersects each other at the point O, now here 2 lines are given, but the condition is angle AOD is equals to 90-degree. So we will not draw the cross lines. We have to make straight lines, the vertical line and the horizontal line, and it must be in the form of cross, not cross plus. the remaining angles will also be right angles. Two lines AB and CD intersect each other at O, and that is given. This is I am taking from the statement given in the question. Statement, and then it is under the heading given. Then I will write to prove. Remaining angles will also be right angles. Then for proof, I will write statement and reason. COB 90-degree vertically opposite angles. AOD plus DOB is equals to 180. Now here 9, why I am using 90? Because in the first question there was 132. In the second question there was no number given, only right angle, word of right angle was given. So I 4 right angle mean 4 multiplied by 90. In this question there is 90 also given, and there is 180-degree also there, because we are using the straight line angles. 90 plus 90 is equals to 180-degree. So here the same, there are two things, supplementary angles are there, vertical opposite angles are there. The first one we call vertically opposite angles, and the second one we call supplementary angle in the place of reason. Then I am keeping the value AOD or COB, both are vertical opposite angle. I am keeping 90, and then I solve, I get 190-degree angle. And AOC is equals to DOB. These are vertical opposite angles. DOB 90, AOC, all remaining angles are right angles. This is question number 3. Now question number 4. Now question number 4, if two straight lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O, here is measurement angle AOC is equal to half of AOD. The statement is different now. Find the measures of BOD and BOC. First of all, we need to draw the diagram. Without drawing the diagram, we cannot identify which is AOD, which is BOD, which is BOC. So we will say two lines AB and CD intersect each other at O, and AOC, angle AOC is equals to half of angle AOD. Half of angle AOD, it means AOC, and now find out AOC. This is the big line, and if you observe, this is if for example this is the 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter, half of 4 will be 2, half of 6 will be 3, half of 8 will be 4. So it is 1 over half. 1 over half is half, making half of this distance. Half of AOD. To prove BOD and BOC are unknown to find. I took it from the statement of question statement. Now proof is based on two things, statement and reason, and 3 things mean conclusion at the end. BOD is equals to AOC, vertical opposite angles, that is from the given. Then supplementary angles, the third one. Then half of AOD, and AOD is equals to adding fractions 1 by 2, 1 by 2 from this one, 1 from this one, and then that is equals to 1 plus 2 over 2 is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 3 by 2, this is from the reason 3 by 2. From where I am getting 1 by 2 and 1, 1 by 2 from AOD this one, and 1 from this. If you take out AOD common, what you have left 1 by 2 plus 1. Now solve the fraction, you get to know that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 AOD, here I am now using 180, and 180 keeping the value 2 by 3, you will bring this fraction will be inverted. If there is 3 by 2, you will bring on the other side by replacing the denominator into numerator. 3 by 2 will be changed into 2 by 3 because it is multiplied on the other side. Whenever something is multiplied and it is going to the other side, the fraction will be inverted. Numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. Same is with that. And AOC is AOD, and BOD, that is vertical angle, and then we keep the value, we get that it is AOC is equals to 60 degree. Now till today I am explaining till question number 4. Tomorrow I am going to start question 5. I will finish. There are 9 questions. There are many questions. I think 14 or 15, but we will do till 9, and I will give you easy question. Okay? But keep these things in your mind, whatever I have told you.